Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why, no matter how much you earn, it feels like your money just disappears? You work hard, you get your paycheck, you promise yourself this month will be different. You'll save. You'll finally start building something. But then, bills come. Rent, a dinner out, that online sale you couldn't resist. 2 weeks later, you check your account, and it's almost empty. Again. You feel frustrated, maybe even ashamed. You start thinking, I just need to make more. But deep down, you know the truth. You've earned more before, and still, the money vanished. So what's going on? The problem isn't how much you make, it's how you handle it. Here's something crazy. Studies show that around 78% of people in the US live paycheck to paycheck, even those earning over $100,000 a year. Why? Because when income goes up, spending goes up too. Psychologists call it lifestyle inflation. You earn more, you upgrade your car, your phone, your apartment, you feel good for a while. But soon you're right back where you started, broke. And here's another fact. Your brain is wired to spend, not to save. Spending gives you a quick dopamine hit, that little rush of pleasure when you buy something. Saving? It feels boring. There's no instant reward. So unless you change the system, you'll always end up with zero. Let me tell you a quick story. A friend of mine, Alex, used to complain he could never save. He earned well, but every month ended the same way. Overdraft. He thought he needed a bigger salary. Then something happened. He decided to try one simple thing. Before paying any bills, before buying anything, he took 10% of his paycheck and moved it to a separate account. Untouchable. At first, it felt weird. He thought he'd struggle, but something surprising happened. He didn't. He adapted. His spending adjusted automatically. A year later, he had a few thousand saved, without even feeling like he tried. And that gave him confidence to invest, to plan, to dream bigger. So here's the rule. Pay yourself first. It's not saving what's left. It's saving first, spending later. Every paycheck, you take a slice, 5%, 10%, whatever you can, and you set it aside. That money is not for spending. It's not for emergencies. It's your future, your safety net. Think of it like paying the most important bill in your life, the bill to yourself. Because if you don't pay yourself first, no one else will. Now, how do you make this stick? Open a separate account you never touch. Automate the transfer the day you get paid. Start small if you need to. 5% is fine. Then increase. Forget this money exists. Here's a psychological trick. Rename that account to something powerful. Freedom Fund, Future Me, Dream House. When you see the name, it reminds you why you're doing this. And here's another fun fact. People who automate savings are 6 times more likely to have an emergency fund. Why? Because they remove the choice. No willpower needed. The system works for you. Most people think they'll start saving when they earn more. But that day never comes. Freedom doesn't start with earning more. It starts with keeping more of what you already have. Start small. Stay consistent. In a year, you'll look back and realize this one decision changed everything. So here's my question. Will you keep doing what you've always done, or will you try this and finally take control of your money? Hey, if you watch this, you're already doing better. Stay safe and be progressive.